You know, people say a lot of things about me and I respond. And I tell you today why I respond to people. Because I never let what people say determine my moralities. I don't care. You have a problem with me, you have found a problem. Go find your own solution. I'm not working for you. It's your own problem. That's why most people that are paid by police to insult me have ended in America, England, or Germany. They're hiding. I want you to know that but also I'm doing it for the unborn seeds and the unborn children of this nation. So if you don't like it, it's okay. You can step aside, you know, and like what you like. I have no problem.
If you have problem with me, I don't care because I don't have problem with you. It's your own problem, so go and solve. And that's something like a You're Ghana. People only know how to talk, not to act. We are in a country that people think say the right to criticize. And now say make obi want some bonia. Mini facts, it's okay.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, Mama Baba Xposed GH, watch from Bambros. Subscribe, subscribe, Mame. Mede tumpa na wonsa kabin. Nana kwa media Aquarius Chada. The youth president that I'll say, always a president for life. I'll always say. What can't send be? Asem can't touch my kuma. You know why? Because a niyama sabe Ghanaian for a Ghanaians ya who say a Jimmy.
You know, people say a lot of things about me and I never respond. And I tell you today why I don't respond to people. Because I never let what people say determine my moralities. I don't care. You have a problem with me, then you have found a problem. Go find your own solution. I'm not working for you. It's your own problem. And that's why most people that are paid by politicians to insult me have ended up in America, England, or Germany. They're hiding because they're cowards. But when you ever see that I am here and sitting on a throne, any American or German that will be stuck in this country that they will want them back, I will exchange them for you. So you can come back and apologize to all the people you've insulted because you're a coward. And this is the platform I've chose to tell you this. And I want the rest of the youth not to be like the ones that I'm mentioning. They know themselves. You're in within, you're plotted. And I don't stand for that. I don't stand for somebody paying someone some sort of money and then they say, hey, go and do this demonstration. And then they say, because you stand for the youth, come and join us. No, your money is too small for cheddar. Cheddar is money. No money buys me here. Okay, I have wisdom and wisdom is bigger than money. I want the youth to understand this. And lastly, I want you to know that I'm doing this for you, but also I'm doing it for the unborn seeds and the unborn children of this nation. So if you don't like it, it's okay. You can step aside, you know, and like what you like. I have no problem. But for me, I'm going. And I'm going towards my destiny. And my destiny is for my legacy to be prevailed. And it's for my history to be written. I'm not here to tell it. I'm only dictating it to you. You guys should tell the history. When I'm not here, I want my absence to be felt. I want to be remembered. And I want to be known for what I did for society.
Show some love, man. Show some love. Show some love. Shut up. It's.
I'll say, if you have problem with me, I don't care. Because I don't have problem with you. It's your own problem, so go and solve it. And that's something like a train. You're Ghana. People only know how to talk, not to act. We are in a country that people think say the right to criticize. And now say make obi want some bonia mini facts, it's okay. When you run an I saw a man with a vision on a mission. But Ghanaians saw a young man that they can tell say he's even a fraudster. Have you seen the difference? A ideology. The thing that I saw in an and I'm still seeing today. That's what people saw. Some even saw, say, oh, he's coming to do pass and go away. But I saw somebody here because I dig deep into Nanakwa Media and I realized that Forbes International, he's recognized as a billionaire. 80 on year cities to survive. He has made it in life. Near maybe Kokoso, Kofo Tia paid jobs. Now Kofo he's a fraudster and all that. Me can say, if this man is a fraudster, this fraud there, I will learn. Because fraud no to me yes can say no to me nyama kakaka they like I will learn this fraud. And no can also no problem. So if you create your own problem and talk about you, it's your own problem. He doesn't have a problem with you. It's what you are creating issues about somebody. No, look at yourself. Nabisa say, are you better than the person? Because maybe I'm saying, when you point one finger at somebody, 4 is pointing at you. So ask yourself, are you better than the person you are talking about? I don't think so. Because when you're better than the person, you talk about the person. Then be I say, Mika, me say, no be can one is because you are greater than the person. The person has nothing to say. At the end of the day, it's or can be about you. It will become one no say you are greater than the person. Obi or can be one sembian or inferior person. Only again, only mission, only vision. And that has been the problem with Ghanaians. All this talk and all that. What has the person been able to achieve in life? Nothing. All that he does is he wakes up and then talks about you. Or can't want some sound or the num. No, can't wait. But ask him, what have you been able to do? Nothing. Zero. You understand? So that's the kind of society that we are in. Now, our society way, to send you will fail. I'm telling you. Because right from the word go, no, they have plotted you as a failure. Yeah, a chrono, so sex has become like a problem for people. Obi ye ne eyobiya. Kwasiasem. Obroni, obi ye or person ye say no, sabi on pulling it down, but be trying to better no. So there's also competition to excel. Yeah, there's competition to bring him down, pull him down. Chenebra, no matter to say me. And it goes every aspect of our life, in our churches, even in our marriages. Sometimes you go and marry somebody who wish your downfall. They be unknown, I'm not coming to be a no burgu. Okay, so want to be yet. Okay, so we want to be yet. Even our friends, most of our friends are pull him down friends. And such friends only in the da. I'm telling you. It's what would hear me. Cause I'm in person. Ya me pacha wane say, sieni na kwam bedi akwaka. Na tie ni ye. Na ene bisa say, wo ye a woni nete, ukura ne nete. Or you pull him down, and that's will be our or inspire. Or you pull him down, Jano. Oni adwen. What down for nam? Does it motivate you or pull you down? 2025, so be chon when fi sa nipa we nyina ho a. Even asori ekọ. Uko sia sophobia, de bi osi nipa ba bewu a sa asori na nko bi me jimiefo asori. Nyansa bi anim. You see, when Christ came, he brought hope to the people, to the hopelessness. And that thing I saw for about there, they are not even so for. And we go to these churches and pay tithe to these people in the name of a religion. We don't know what you're about. When you come to church, either you are broken emotionally, physically, or spiritually. As a man of God, I should be able to what? Encourage you and pull you up. Cement me encourage you and pull you up. Not the be a maker doom asam chewa. Who am I? I am the prophet of doom, and every prophet of doom is a Satan. It's a so fun moka of woman. I will miss worse. Is it all dead that you see? If you go to our workplaces, our colleagues, those who bring us down, so we know we are 2025. Like I always say, the new force, we are active than ever. I expose you, Chef Bruce. Subscribe, share. You're the two partners. I can be manuals.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.